Hi everyone, welcome to the first lesson of Study Chinese with Sarah. In this very first lesson, I want to explain to you where and how should we start our teaching. In fact, I want to give you a general explanation of the alphabet, the writing, and the pronunciation of Chinese language. When we're trying to learn a new language, the first thing we're going to do is we will learn the pronunciation and the writing by going through the alphabet first. But the question is, does Chinese language have an alphabet? And the answer is no. But if it doesn't have any alphabet, then how will we be able to read and write? In fact, Chinese language uses characters to write. Each character consists of one or several strokes, and to write a word, we will use a character. If I want to explain what characters are in a simple way, I would say characters are basically some pictures. Chinese writing system is based on drawing of things that they see around them. So, if you want to write down moon or water, you don't need to use the letters to write. You simply need to draw a picture of it. So you see, we have a picture of a moon here, and here is a character for moon. To make it more clear, I'll give you another example. This photo you see here is actually a picture of a sun. Long time ago, in order to be able to write the word for sun on paper, they used to draw a picture of it, just the way you see on the right side. And now, this picture has been changed over time and become what you see in this picture. And today, they use this one as a character for the word sun. But now, a very important question may come to your mind, and the question is how to read and pronounce these characters. All of these characters that you see here have a pronunciation, and in order to learn the pronunciation, we need something that's called Pinyin. But what is Pinyin? Pinyin is actually a system of showing the pronunciation of characters in Chinese, and it's basically made of Latin alphabet. So, to let you understand better, I'll give you an example. Pay attention to this character. Are we able to read the character by the strokes that we see in it? Well, the answer is no. So we need help here, and Pinyin is going to rescue us. With Pinyin, we will show you the pronunciation of this character. So the pronunciation is ma, ma. So before we start learning characters and sentence, we need to learn Pinyin and get familiar and practice different pronunciation in Chinese. And to practice Pinyin, first we need to know the structure of Pinyin. So let me tell you more about the different part of a Pinyin. Pinyin mostly is a combination of three things: initials, finals, and a tone. Look at this Pinyin. It pronounces ma, and it's a combination of ma, which is the initial, and which is the final, and a tiny line above it, which is the tone of the word. So what initials and finals and how many tones do we have in Chinese language? These are the questions that I'm going to explain more in the next video. So if you want to learn Chinese, stay with us, watch our videos until you get fluent.